Inside the courtroom today, the defendant openly admitted to retail fraud, and the judge didn't hold back. This moment shifted the entire tone of the hearing instantly.
The charge of retail fraud second.
Okay.
Or third, I'm sorry.
I can't blame my handwriting on my age, Your Honor. It's always been bad.
Yes, it has. And I knew of the attorneys who wrote this. I was trying not to say it out loud. All right, retail fraud third, the 93-day offense. On her successful guilty plea to that charge, count one, the retail fraud in second degree, would be dismissed, and defendant is agreed to pay restitution, if any. That's the court's full understanding of it.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yeah.
State your name, please.
Dante Wingard.
All right. Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud in the third degree. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs.
When the judge asked why the theft happened, the defendant struggled to explain. The court fell silent as the judge reminded her that excuses won't erase consequences.
Huh? I heard you.
Okay.
Understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Correct.
Any question about those rights?
No, sir.
All right. Look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of it. Oh, nice catch. Yeah, I know. It's like a cat. She just.
Well,
Sorry.
she heard Amon-Ra saying Brown's not playing tomorrow night.
Yeah,
so
maybe that was it.
Get ready, you know.
Sit her up. All right. You need to look at paragraph 5, man.
The judge delivered a stern warning. Any future violations will lead straight to jail. The defendant nodded, clearly shaken by how serious the situation had become.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Unfortunately, yes. Yes.
You're doing it of your own free will?
Yes.
And also because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes.
Date of March 24, 2025, at the location of 3749 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What did you do in the Target store that makes you think that you're guilty?
Well, I was getting distracted with my kids, and I didn't. I guess I didn't scan some of the items that when I was during use scan.
You left the store without paying for some of the items.
Yeah.
Okay.
But did you, at some point prior to leaving the store, know that you hadn't paid for the items?
I had paid for them before I left, but I guess after I left the store, they still told me that I had to.
Well, you paid for some of the items, but you didn't pay for all the items. Isn't that correct? Because some of the items were not scanned. Isn't that correct?
Yeah, but when I had left, before I had left the store, I paid for them.
Because they stopped you.
Yeah.
Right.
Right. Okay. But so, ma'am,
You start
a problem because at some point you go to the register.
Yeah.
And you were going through the self-scan?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yes, sorry.
Okay. And there were some items that were not scanned.
As the prosecutor listed the details of the incident, the judge kept watching the defendant closely. It was clear the court expected real accountability this time.
Scan these items.
Oh, yes.
Pardon?
Yes.
Okay, were you?
I guess it was a lot going on, so I guess I was aware that I didn't scan them.
Scan all of them. You
Scan all of them.
scanned some, right?
Yeah.
But you were aware that some of them didn't scan?
At the time, I wasn't aware until they stopped me.
Better for trial, Judge.
Counsel approach.
In the end, the judge emphasized one thing: this was her last chance. The message was loud and clear: fix your choices, or the system will make the choice for you.
A little bit more on this, okay, ma'am? So I'll adjourn this to December 17th.
Let me check that date, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'm going to say,
He's not going to be available because you're always not available, Goldstein. Now,
well,
Paul,
Your Honor, I was going to actually make a compromise. I have a jury trial scheduled for that Monday, but I think if it goes, it'll probably be done.
okay, we'll work with you in terms
Yeah.
of timing. Just December 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. was your invite indicates. All right.
Thank you.